Hello everybody, welcome to EduTap. So there's a lot of buzz on the 8-pay commission that is currently going on in the market. So it's natural to think that what will be its impact on NABARD grade A salary? Or will there be any impact on the NABARD grade A salary? If yes, how much? If no, then how this settlement or how this increment in NABARD organization in salary it happens, right? So all these questions we are going to address in this particular video. But before that, here's an announcement that if you are planning to prepare for NABARD grade exam and you don't know how to prepare or what to prepare, so we have made a one-stop solution for all the queries that you have regarding the exam. Starting off with telling you about the organization so that you at least have an idea that for what job are you applying for, and after that all about the recruitment process, how many phases are there, what is the pattern of each phase, what is the syllabus, and each and everything we have discussed it over here. So do not miss the opportunity. You can download this e-guidebook which is free of cost from the link that is provided in the description box below. ठीक है, चलो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन पे, एंड फर्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइक व्हाट इज दिस pay commission, what is this 8th pay commission, why is it coming, and all about that. ठीक है, देखो basically what the center government has done, because देखो government have to pay to its employee, right? And how do they pay? They pay via the budget. They prepare a budget every year and from that salary is being given. ठीक है, so government have established pay commission which time to time will guide government that now it's time to increase the salary of the employees. ठीक है, first of all, in how much time do they recommend? Is it like on random basis or what basis? So every 10 years pay commission gives the recommendation, gives the proposal to the government that as per our analysis, now in this decade inflation has increased a lot. Okay, the cost of living has also increased. Of course both have correlation, right? Inflation and cost of living, that has also increased, and economic growth has also happened, right? And because of that reason, now the salary that you are offering currently to the employees, it might not be enough. Okay, that is why pay commission recommends that now it's time to upgrade the salary. Okay, यहाँ से शुरू होता है. अब it's not necessary that whatever the pay commission would recommend, the exact figure will be approved by the government, then proper analysis further by government, negotiation and all everything happens, and then a certain amount is being published. ठीक है, अब इसमें कुछ other factors they are also involved in deciding how much increment should be there. For example, dearness allowance which is given over the basic salary, right? If it has increased a lot, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमेशा certain percentage dearness allowance is given on the base salary, but if the dearness allowance has crossed 50%, 60, 70, 80%, then what happens in the next pay commission, which currently it is 8th which is expected, so in the next pay commission that dearness allowance percentage first is adjusted into the base salary, and then the dearness allowance usually it starts from 0%, but in some cases it can also start with 10%, 20% like that. ठीक है, अब this becomes complicated, so I don't think you need to keep in mind all this, but all in all just keep in mind that every 10 years pay commission, this is a commission known as pay commission, it gives recommendation to the government that based on the inflation that has happened in a decade, cost of living and increased, and because of the economic growth, it's right time now to increase the salary of the government employees. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जितने भी जो आपके गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज है, डिफेंस प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, पेंशनर्स हैं, उन सबके जो द सैलरी दैट दे हैव दोज आर इंक्रीज्ड. अब कैसे इंक्रीज होती है? तो उसके लिए दे हैव अ फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, एक फॉर्मूला होता है उनका, दे दैट फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट एक डिजिट निकलती है उस फॉर्मूला से, एंड देन दे मल्टीप्लाई इट विद द बेस सैलरी, एंड देन दे डिसाइड अ सैलरी. ठीक है, उसको फिटमेंट फैक्टर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, फिटमेंट फैक्टर बोलते हैं उसको, दैट डिजिट दैट आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट. सो इट कैन बी लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इट फिटमेंट फैक्टर कम्स लाइक 2.1, 2.98, 1.92, whatever be the fitment factor will come, it is derived from a formula, then that fitment factor is multiplied with the current base salary, and then your new base salary it is then declared. तो ऐसा करके चलता है. ठीक है, but the catch is that this pay commission is not applicable on banks. ठीक है, ये चीज आपको समझनी जरूरी है. वाई इज इट नॉट एप्लीकेबल टू द बैंक्स? बिकॉज इवन दो दीज बैंक्स, द गवर्नमेंट बैंक्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, नॉट द प्राइवेट वन ऑफ कोर्स, ठीक है, even though these are government owned, but the banks are classified as commercial enterprise. The salary that the bank employees they don't get it from budget. The salary that they get it from the they get it from the money generated by the bank itself. You need to understand this particular thing, that the pay commission gives recommendation to the government for those government employees of whom salary it is extracted from the budget. ठीक है, लेकिन आपके बैंक, even though they are government owned only, even though you are working in a government bank, ठीक है, मतलब public bank में even if you are working, then also it is the money is not given by government, it is self generated money by the bank. आप ऐसा इसको समझ सकते हो, ठीक है, वो कमर्शियल एंटरप्राइज के अंदर ही आता है, ठीक है. सो हाउ द बैंक सैलरी इट इज डिसाइडेड, तो बैंक के लिए होता है एक बाय पार्टेड सेटलमेंट करके होता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज वी हैव पे कमीशन, फॉर बैंक्स बाय पार्टेड सेटलमेंट किया जाता है. एंड दिस इज काइंड ऑफ नेगोशिएशन हैपेंस बिटवीन द इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन. सो सी वी हैव इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन, एंड देन वी हैव बैंक यूनियंस. वी हैव फॉर क्लरिकल लेवल वी हैव बैंक यूनियंस, फॉर officer rank we have associations, right? So what happens, and one more very important thing that I have to tell you, that pay commission it happens in every 10 years. It is recommended every 10 years, but this bipartite settlement it occurs in every 5 years. ठीक है, तो in every 5 years there will be a meeting that will be conducted between the Indian Bank Association IBA and the bank unions. ठीक है, so negotiation will happen. Bank union will put their side that why they should require this much of salary, what are their expenses. They can correlate it with the inflation and other stuff, right, which is of course there. ठीक है, तो बैंक यूनियंस होती है, ऑफिसर, देन देयर विल बी सम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ ऑफिसर सेक्टर, राइट, और जितने भी आपकी बैंक हायरार्की है, इन दैट बैंक हायरार्की एवरीबडी देयर विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स, एंड देयर विल बी अ नेगोशिएशन दैट विल हैपन बिटवीन इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन एंड द बैंक यूनियंस, एंड then they will come to a common factor, they will come to a settlement that okay this much percentage should be divided among the different hierarchy. ठीक है, and this settlement it happens every 5 years. ठीक है, तो अगर अभी बात करें that when was the last settlement happened and when can be the new settlement expected, because as said that 8th pay commission is expected that from 2026 it will be implemented, right? So what about this bipartite settlement now? So is it like because pay commission has happened so this will also happen, or how the things will go? ठीक है, तो if we talk about जो आपका last आपका bipartite settlement हुआ था, that was the 12th one and it was implemented, जो आपका implement हुआ था वो हुआ था आपका 2022 से. Basically it was later on like on official it was signed by 2024, लेकिन जो माना जाता है 2022 से माना जाता है. So what had happened at that time, so whoever who were employees from 2022 onwards, bank employees, they got all this 2 years of money, the increment, the gap that they had, because देखो it was on paper applied from 2024 onwards, right? But ऑफिशियली 2024 से हुआ, पर कब के लिए हुआ था 2022 से हुआ था. ठीक है, तो जितना भी गैप था, वट एवर गैप दैट वाज देयर, दैट वाज गिवन एज अ अरियर. सिंपल आप समझ सकते हो कि बैक डेट मनी दिया गया उनको. ठीक है, तो अरियर मिलेगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट इफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हैज हैपेंड आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स सो योर मनी विल इट विल गो इन वेन, यू विल नॉट गेट द मनी. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू विल गेट द मनी बट यू विल गेट एज अ अरियर, एज अ बैक डेट मनी यू विल गेट. यू कैन कीप इट लाइक दिस इन योर माइंड. ठीक है, तो बैक डेट मनी की तरह मिलता है. ठीक है, तो लास्ट आपका कब हुआ? 2022 में हुआ. तो उस अकॉर्डिंग आपका नेक्स्ट कितना होना चाहिए? आपको होना चाहिए 2027 में. ठीक है, मींस योर नेक्स्ट बाइपार्टेट सेटलमेंट इज एक्सपेक्टेड इन 2027. इट्स ऑलरेडी 2025, राइट, 2 years from now. It's not necessary that if the next settlement has to be done on 2027, so your salary will increase from that 2027 year only. It might happen that again it will get approved in 1-2 years, but even if it gets delayed by 1-2 years, you need not to worry, your money will be safe. You will get that money as arrear. ठीक है, तो मतलब 2027 में तो इंक्रीमेंट होना है, अब चाहे वो अरियर फॉर्म में मिले, बट इट इज योर मनी ओनली, इट्स नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर एल्स. ठीक है, हाउ मच, अब नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ मच हाइक इज एक्सपेक्टेड. ठीक है, वैसे तो अगर पे कमीशन की बात करें, अब देखो वी कांट से एनीथिंग एज ऑफ नाउ, बिकॉज एज आई सेड बिफोर, पे कमीशन विल गिव अ सजेशन एंड देन नेगोशिएशन विल हैपन. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ पे कमीशन इज एक्सेप्टेड एज सच. नो, इट डज नॉट हैपन. ठीक है, तो वी कांट से. वैसे तो इन मेनी सोर्सेज यू कैन सी दैट 186% increment will be done, 90% increment or such like that, but it fluctuates in every if you compare every pay commission you would realize that center pay commission की अगर आप बात करो, every time it has fluctuated, so you can't give an analysis that that oh, on an average 50% increment has been done, or oh, on an average 150 increment has been done. You can't say that, but on an average you can expect कि 30 से 40% of salary it can increase. If more gets increased, very good, but if you have to give on an average around 30-40% will get increased. Talking about banks, if you look at previous year analysis of the last 12 settlements that has happened, bipartite settlement has happened, you would realize that on an average here also hike you get somewhere around 50-20%. Okay, it depends, because here also it first the negotiation that happens, right? Here also no formal declaration comes, first a negotiation happens. So there are like slight chances, because of 8 pay commission the union might want to have more this time, to to have that comparison, to have to get that comparison between the increment that other employees will have or they will have. There might be slight chances, but you cannot like correlate that no, if pay commission has will give XYZ percentage of salary, so bank will also get that. There is no correlation, because both are completely separate systems. Okay, but expected in 2027 hike, that is 2 years from now, it is like 15 to 20% hike that is expected. If it gets more, well and good, but on an average this much hike you can get. Okay, so that was all about this. I hope now you have clarity talking about कि फिर कितना नाबार्ड की सैलरी बढ़ सकती है. ठीक है, तो वैसे देखो आपकी अभी ऑन एन एवरेज 1 लाख सैलरी होती है, एक्सक्लूडिंग जो भी आपको फिर पर्क्स बेनिफिट्स वो सब मिलते हैं. ऑन एन एवरेज आपकी 1 लाख होती है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेयर यू आर पोस्टेड. ठीक है, तो 15-20% हाइक होती है, तो लाइक यू कैन सी कि आपका 1,20,000 अप्रॉक्स तक बन सकता है ना, 1,15,20 तक बन सकता है. तो ऐसा कुछ है. ठीक है, देखो अब कितना आगे बढ़ता है. टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है, वी हैव कम अप विद सम कोर्सेज दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू ऑल. इफ आई स्क्रॉल इट डाउन, यू कैन सी दिस इज आवर वेबसाइट. आप इफ यू click on the link, you will end to this website, and we have come up with some courses, and currently we're giving like 70% off. I think it's very good offer for the Valentine's Day. You have to use the code love. ठीक है, ये है. And if I go for, you can go for 2025 year, 2026 year, whatever you're preparing for. And we have some combo courses also, like for RBI IDAI NABARD के साथ. RBI, if you want to just go for RBI NABARD, we have some combo courses also. Again, come up with the 70% off. Whatever combo you feel like that, yes, these are the exams I want to prepare for, we got it all. ठीक है, तो that was all in this video. I hope you have now much clarity about this 8 pay commission and its impact on NABARD grade A exam. And I wish you all the very best for your examination, and thank you.